is pivot, pivot, pivot.
Try to pivot, but Bianca stinks.
Well, that's because she couldn't shower. Remember?
Oh, indeed, Bianca became a smelly puppy.
It's not your fault, girl.
Focus, Natalie Taylor, my love interest. This couch is pretty heavy.